All you have to do is to click the icon of AutoCAD. And then we open the AutoCAD. After opening the AutoCAD, you can find the user's interface. In the user's interface, again, you are able to see the different kinds of toolbars. Okay, in our toolbars, we have different kinds of ribbons, and each ribbons, it signifies a one command. For example, if you need to click the line, then you can create line. If you click the ribbon of circle, then you can create the circle. If you need to click arc, and then you can create an arc, and so on and so forth. Okay? One of the most important of the user's interface is the command bar. The importance of the command bar is you need to type your line or type your command in order to create a drawing. Okay? For example, if you need to create a line, then type line and then click enter, then you can create a line. Okay? But first, let's focus to our layers. Okay? I'm going to teach you on how to set up layers. So again, in our command line, type layers or LA. Click enter. And then this is our layers. Okay, so let's make let's make a lot of layers. All you have to do is to click here to add layers. Okay, for example, in one layer you can create rectangle. Click here again to create another layer, and let's rename it to square. Another layer for circle. Another layer for triangle. So as you can see, in our layers, we can find 4 types of layers that we created. Okay? Each layer have their own colors, have their own line type, and line weight. So it's up to you on how to create a line type, line weight, and colors according to your taste. For example, let's go first in our circle layer. All you have to do is to click the check to set up the layer. Okay.